RSI is probably the most popular technical indicator, but hardly anybody understands how it's actually built and what it truly means. So let's take a simple example to understand. Before coming to RSI, you must calculate the RS value, which is the relative strength. Now, how do you calculate relative strength? It is average gain divided by average loss. Let's simplify it with a very simple example. Let's take a 10-day period. Alright, you have a 100 rupee stock that goes up 1 point each day for the first 5 days, and then it comes down 5 points for the next 5 days. So your average gain is 5 points divided by the total period 10 gives you 0.5, and your average loss is also the same, 0.5. So your relative strength is calculated by dividing this average gain by average loss. In this case, 0.5 divided by 0.5 gives you 1. When you plug this RS into RSI, it gives you the RSI value. So what does it mean in plain English? What it means is, in the last 14 periods, 14 because that is the default setting of an RSI on any given chart. In the last 14 periods, if you have more winning days than losing days, then your RS value will go above 1, which will make your RSI rise. And vice versa if RS value is lesser than 1. Let's further take an example to understand clearly. What does an RSI of 80 actually mean? So if you back calculate RSI of 80, you will get an RS of 4. What that means is, for every 1 rupee that the stock fell, the stock gained 4 rupees in the last 14 days. So RSI, rather than being an overbought and oversold indicator that is usually used in reversal trading, RSI is actually more of a momentum indicator.